Welcome to our video on navigating startup vesting while on a visa. Today, we'll dive into the unique challenges faced by startup founders holding a visa such as OPT or STEM OPT, particularly when it involves equity. Let's get started. We'll begin by understanding the concept of vesting and why it's significant. Then, we'll delve into the specific visa challenges faced by entrepreneurs and their implications regarding equity. We'll cover steps to protect your equity and conclude with key considerations to keep in mind. Vesting schedules determine when you officially own your shares in the company, often over a time period such as 4 years. There's usually a cliff, a time frame before you acquire any shares. This encourages long-term commitment to the company. Operating on a visa in a startup environment poses several challenges. If your STEM OPT extension or your initial OPT is rejected, your employment ends, as your work eligibility is tied to your visa status. Additionally, should there be any issues with your Employment Authorization Document (EAD), such as revocation, your ability to work is affected similarly. Here's a quick question for you. What is a cliff in a vesting schedule? Is it a period where no shares vest initially, the final phase when full ownership occurs, or a sudden change in employment status? You may pause the video to think about the answer, and we will discuss it in the next section of the video. The correct answer is a period where no shares vest initially. A cliff is a period during a vesting schedule where no shares vest. Typically, once this period is complete, a significant portion of shares may vest, serving as an incentive for continued involvement. To protect your equity, first seek legal counsel experienced with startups. Negotiate favorable vesting terms with possibly a shorter cliff. Ensure your stock purchase agreement specifies outcomes for vested and unvested shares if your employment ends due to visa issues. Finally, practicing proactive compliance with visa requirements is crucial. There are critical points to consider. Communicate consistently with your co-founders regarding equity and visa challenges so all parties remain aligned. Additionally, professional advice from both immigration and startup lawyers is vital to understanding and navigating these unique circumstances. Remember, initiating a startup on a visa demands extra planning to mitigate associated risks. Understanding the impact of your visa on startup vesting is essential for protecting your equity and ensuring long-term success. Always seek legal advice from experienced professionals to navigate through challenges effectively. Stay proactive in visa compliance to safeguard your company and personal interests. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences navigating startup vesting on a visa. Drop a comment below, and let's continue the conversation.